family, this is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful video for you today. Now today I'm going to be showing you in this video how to make your own carrot essential oil, and it's just using plain carrots. Okay, so let's start in this video right now because this is simple, easy, and you're going to see just how easy in a second. So right now I'm using 3 large carrots. All right, and what I'm going to do is skin them off. Okay, I'm going to peel the skin and then I'll be right back. Now that the skin is peeled, we're going to skin it, dice it up into smaller pieces because we're going to try to process this before putting it into the next step. Okay, so you're going to need a blender or a food processor just to crush the carrots up much faster. You can grate it if you like, but that's a lot of work. So what I'm going to do is pop it into my blender and blend it down so this way it's easier to cook. Now this is the finishing product. Now this is well grated down and this is what it's supposed to look like. So you're going to have a nice bowl full of carrot shreds. Next, what we're going to do is go to our stove and we're going to put a nice sized pan on the stove on a medium flame. Once your pan gets hot, you're going to place your carrot shreds in your pan. Now, since I'm making a lot, I'm going to be using 1 liter of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to pour that inside my pan on top of my carrot shreds. But you can do 2 cups, 1 cup, it all depends on how much you're desiring to make. Now what we're going to do is we're going to stir and mix it up properly and let it boil and simmer for at least 2 hours, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to stir periodically just so that your carrot does not burn the bottom of your pan and that it's well mixed properly, okay? So yeah, get to stirring. So now I'm just allowing the water to evaporate out of the oil and also the juices to saturate inside the oil. So we're going to allow this to simmer and boil with periodical stirring. Okay, you guys, so this is what it's going to look like while it is infusing the nice nutrients from the carrots into the oil. So this process is going to be done on a low flame and it's going to take at least 2.5 hours to get your results. Now this is what it's going to look like towards the end of the finishing, the extracting process. This is where the oil from the carrots are now rising to the top of the surface. So this is wonderful. I'm going to cook it a little bit longer and then strain and get it ready for bottling. Instead of using expensive commercially prepared shampoos, conditioners, lotions, which contains preservatives and chemicals, why not use a natural and inexpensive oil? Carrot oil especially is easy to make. It's extremely beneficial for the hair and skin. For instance, carrots are rich in nutrients such as vitamin A, C, and E, beta-carotene, and a multitude of other antioxidants. The vitamins A and E and beta-carotene have excellent conditioning and moisturizing properties. This wonderful oil is going to heal damaged skin, slow the dreaded signs of aging. It's also going to stimulate hair growth, create luxurious, soft to the touch hair, improve blood circulation. It's going to protect hair and skin from damaging effects of weather, pollution, dust, sunlight, chemicals, salon treatments, and it's going to strengthen hair, preventing breakage. When your oil is ready, it would look like this. So let's get ready for cooling. Now for the final step, you're going to wait for your oil to cool, but in the meantime, you're going to get your bowls and your jars and your strainer ready. Being that I'm using 1 liter of oil, I needed to get a big mason jar to fit it. Next, place your strainer firmly over your bowl, and now we're getting ready to strain all of the solution into our bowl. Carefully pour your cooled oil into your strainer. As you can see, your carrot is going to turn brown, and that is perfect. Now once you pour your carrot into your strainer, just allow it to steep and drip through into your bowl. You can help it along by pressing down just to squeeze a little bit more of the oil out of the strainer. And there you have it, your own essential carrot oil for yourself, okay? Easy to make, it just takes a little time. You can put it in a pan and cook it down, or you could even put it in a slow cooker, which is just as good, okay? So if you want to see more videos like this, any type of video specifically, listed down below, and I will see you in the next video.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell, and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.